In this guide, we will show you the working image of the Vivo Y28 5G PD2318 UFS ISP PinOUT and test point. By using the ISP PinOUT, you can easily restore the stock ROM, bypass FRP lock, remove MDM Lock, repair dead boot, or reset user data on your device via UFi Box, easy Jtag And Flash64 Box. In this guide, we will also guide you on how to connect the ISP PinOUT to any UFS programmer box. If you're a mobile technicians or micro soldering specialists, and you get devices that are bricked, locked, or not being detected on PC in this situation, comes the ISP connection, which is connected directly to the UFS chip. In this post, we will present the tested and verified Vivo Y28 5G ISP PinOUT, what it is, and how to connect and easily do your repair and recovery tasks with it. What is ISP in system programming? In simple terms, ISP allows you to access the eMMC chip without having to remove it. You simply have to identify the appropriate pinout of the board, and you have to utilize a supported UFS eMMC tool, such as UFi, Easy Jtag, or Medusa Pro to attach it directly. ISP PinOUT is useful when phone is dead, black screen, no boot, no charging. FRP is locked, and you can't use ADB, fast boot, or OTG bypass. You need to dump firmware from a working unit to repair a dead one. You're working on a boot repair or partition restore. Phone is detected as unknown in PC, EDL not working. Vivo Y28 5G PD2318 UFS ISP PinOUT image. Here's where things get technical. The Vivo Y28 5G shares a hardware layout with several models, but the actual pin locations can vary slightly. You'll find the ISP points near the UFS chip under the metal shield. UFS ISP pin labels you need: CLK, SOP, SON, RXOP, ROXON, GND ground. Update note: we're in the process of verifying the latest Oppo A6 Pro 5G CPH2781 ISP PinOUT under actual repair lab conditions. As soon as the new image is confirmed, we will upload it to this post. Stay tuned to this post for updates. Tip: use a microscope or a 10x magnifier to identify the points correctly. Don't rely on diagrams alone. Confirm the layout visually. When repairing dead boot problems, especially for devices like the Vivo Y28 5G PD2318, the Easy Jtag Plus and UFi Box dongles are great for mobile repair. They are important for scenarios where the phone has been incorrectly flashed and does not display the startup logo, and is no longer responding to power. Required tools for ISP PinOUT. Make sure your bench is set up with the right tools before jumping in. UFi Box, Easy Jtag, or Medusa Pro. Nolla, Uxi Nolla, Colme Yunterve. Fine tip soldering iron. Isopropyl cleaner, IPA 99%. Soldering flux. Multimeter for checking continuity. How to connect ISP to the eMMC box. Remove the battery from the phone. Extremely important to prevent voltage conflicts. Clean the PC board area using isopropyl alcohol. Connect jumper wires to CLK, TXON, TXOP, GND, and RXON, RXOP with care using solder. Connect the wires to your UFS eMMC tool, following the tool's pinout. Double-check each wire using a multimeter to ensure there are no shorts. Connect to UFi or Easy Jtag. In the UFi or Easy Jtag software, select Identify UFS eMMC. Now use the operation you want. User partition, special task, reset FRP. If you have the right connection, you will see the UFS chip information in the tool window.